Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to drain the coolant on Ford Fiesta MK7. If you have an ST model or a regular model, should be about the same procedure. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, and I think so far we probably uploaded about 150. Check out the channel, guys. Please subscribe. If you need anything, let us know. The electrical components will be on this channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. As you can see, it's a new channel, live videos, nothing edited, so you can see how we do things. So how you drain the coolant on that thing? Okay, it's a little bit different than other cars. We'll need to jack the car up on the left side, right here, and always use a jack stand. Never ever rely on the jack itself. And unfortunately, this car does not have a drain port. Always wear gloves, always wear eye protection as well. Get a bucket with you and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, you don't have a drain plug, one more time. So there is another way around it. Always make sure that the car is secured. Okay, nothing's moving there. And let me just go underneath to show you quick. Okay, this is the radiator right there, and you'll see that there is absolutely no plug anywhere. At least I couldn't find one. I googled, I couldn't find one on Google. People telling me they couldn't find one. So you see how we do it. So once you get under the vehicle, guys, you need to get big pliers and make sure the car is not hot. Okay, cold car, because otherwise it can burn you. And we'll need to go ahead and remove that clamp, that hose clamp right there. So this one is pretty tight. Careful not to get your fingers stuck in one of those because it hurts pretty bad. Now you need to start wiggling the hose out. It might be careful not to break your radiator. Never ever put too much pressure on the hose. We'll just gently grab it with the pliers and see if we can turn it left or right. Okay, it got loose. Usually they get a little bit stuck. Now we're going to grab it, pull it out, and the coolant will start pouring out of there. You can see. Next step that you need to do, you need to go on top. Okay, and right here, the coolant reservoir, you need to open the cap and you'll hear more coming out on the bottom because it will not create any vacuum. Listen now. Yep, everything's coming out now. Just like that. So we'll just let it drain for about 10-15 minutes. So here is some of the oil antifreeze. Check the manual how much you need, guys, to refill it and all that stuff. Most likely you didn't drain everything out of the box, so you didn't drain all of it. You can always flush it more if you need to. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.